Yeah, good morning, everyone. So we saw a dramatic move in the US market, uh, driven by the failure of two banks, SVB Bank and Signature Bank, wherein first, because of these failure, we saw Friday US market correcting very sharply. But now the Fed and the Treasury and even the insurance arm, which is insuring the deposits, that is FDIC, has come up with measures to stop the contingent impact of these failure of the bank to overall economy. And accordingly, they had indicated that all the deposits, not only insured up to 2.5 million, 2.5 lakh, but even all the deposits of these banks and also the other banks will be secured. And apart from that, Fed will have a bank term funding program which will help create liquidity. And another is there will be some relaxation in lending through the discount window, wherein Fed directly lend money to the banks. So with these measures, what is seen is that the crisis which has emerged is now been controlled, and whatever the sort got created on Friday has to unwind today in US market. And we saw some corrections on Friday in Indian market also, partly driven by these actions in US market. So here again, there will be some reversal because of that. So overall seems because of the event, we may see reversal of trade in today's trade. Though Asian markets are not indicating any dramatic positive trend in today's trade, but still we feel that over a period, in a day, the positiveness can come. Apart from that, the commodities oil is up by around $1.5 from similar time on Friday, and iron ore and steel are marginally up and down in today's trade. So overall seems a positive day for today. Now I'll request technical team to take up from here.
Yes, thank you, sir. Good morning, all of you. Today, the market is likely to open on a flattish note, and we might see some sideways move during the day. On the technical ground, Nifty has immediate support at around 17,370 levels. Any move below that level will drag the Nifty towards 17,320 to 17,270 levels. On the higher side, as of now, we are witnessing a strong resistance at the level by 17,500 level, which is the gap resistance has been formed on the Friday itself. If it surpasses that level on the closing basis, then we are likely to witness some sort of a pullback rally, which might take a Nifty towards 17,570 to 17,640 levels on the high side. The view will remain a cautious as long as Nifty stays below 17,800 levels on the high side. But the small pullbacks rally can be witnessed into the market. Those can be played with the strict stop losses. Coming towards the bank Nifty for today intraday purpose, 40,900 is the first resistance level. Any move above that level can extend the pullback rally towards 41,200 levels. On the lower side, 40,500 and 40,300 levels are the crucial supports level we need to keep eye on it. Coming towards the Nifty Finance, 17,370, 17,470 are the resistance level. On the flip side, 17,140 and 17,000 are the crucial support level we need to keep eye on. So that's it from my end. I request Advait team to take a call forward.
Yeah, thank you, Swati. On the derivative front, there are two important things there to note. Some shorts have increased in the system. So the shorts at this point, have increased in the last couple of trading sessions by about 10-15% odd. PCR continues to remain below the 1 levels, while the VIX is also below the 15 levels, which is an anomaly. So generally, whenever such scenarios happen, you don't see a very huge selling coming in. As I had already said, even in the last week, with this VIX, we don't expect a huge gap down or huge amount of selling. 17,250, 17,200 are good support areas. Probably we might see those levels coming, but a bounce back can come in from there again up to the 17,800, 17,900 odd levels. So yeah, we will remain range bound for some time. At least looking at the data, it seems that way. Also, 17,400 still has the highest, 17,000 still has the highest open interest amongst puts. Also, the PCR at 17,400 is above 1. So, all in all, we don't see much selling coming in the index. It should remain largely range bound. From the stock specific front, uh, the likes of the PSU stocks, like Coal India, ONGC, GSPL, all of those continue to witness good buying, and we expect further buying to come in into the system. And these stocks should perform better going forward. Banking as a whole has high open interest, so yes, definitely some shorts are built into the system in the last week, and if Nifty breaks above 17,500 levels, some short covering is likely. So look out for the same. There can be some good buying coming in. Yeah. So yeah, that's it from my side. I'd like to ask the fundamental team to take over, please.
Good morning. On Hindustan Aeronautics, there is news that Ministry of Defense will procure 6 aircraft for the Indian Air Force from the company for rupees 667 crores. This is positive. On Yes Bank, there is news that RBI mandated the 3-year lock-in period for investors who had infused money 3 years back is ending today. 9 banks led by SBI, which picked up almost 49% at that time, are now permitted to make an exit. So this news will be perceived as negative for Yes Bank. And Blackstone is selling its remaining 20.5% stake in Sona BLW Precision Forgings at a floor price of rupees 400 per share. Compared to this price, the current market price is at 437 rupees. Thank you. That's it from my side.
Good morning. Tech Mahindra has appointed Mohit Joshi, ex-president president of Infosys, as its next CEO and MD, effective from December 20. This is sentimentally positive to the company. Thank you.
Yeah, good morning. The Adani Group is looking to sell around 4 to 5% stake in Ambuja Cement to international lenders for $450 million. with the aim to reduce debt. Apart from this, the Adani Group has also prepaid another loan tranche of $500 million as part of its financing the acquisition of ACC and Ambuja Cement last year. This is in line with the promoters' commitment to increase equity contribution. The promoters have now infused around $2.6 billion of the total acquisition value of $6.6 billion for Ambuja and ACC. Yeah, that's it from my side. Thank you.
Yeah, apart from this, Lloyd Metal and Energy has received government approval for extraction of ore from their iron ore from their mine, increase from 3 million to 10 million. And also they had said that the reserve is over 180 million ton, which earlier they used to say around 90 million ton. So this will increase their production in the next year, overall output and also the sales from the mine. But even if we consider 10 million as an output and they get an EBITDA of say around 1800 rupees, which was they derived in a good period, then also total overall EBITDA can be done at around 2000 rupees. And at current price, still the stock is trading, even with these projections, stock is trading very expensive, is trading expensive as compared to the normal other steel metal companies. So though the news is positive, but market is already factoring in large part of this gain in the share prices. So do not see much impact of this, though there could be sentimental up in the initial part of the trade. Then Finolex industry has started production of PVC fitting, a new plant of around 12,000 ton, which is with the investment of 100 crores. So this can act as a positive for Finolex industry in near term. Then Godrej Property has acquired a land parcel of 28 acres, which seems to be comparatively a larger land parcel in Bangalore and Whitefield area, and will be developing more resident and retail real estate construction in these areas. So total opportunity, how much it can add is not yet given, and what was the cost to acquire this land is also not shared by the company. Then Lupin has got their plant got inspected by US FDA in Vizag. Though this is API plant, and API plant doesn't have sometime very aggressive aggressive audit by the US FDA. So this plant got cleared by with zero observations, so that can act sentimentally positive for Lupin in today's trade. So that's all from us, and I'll request commodity team to take up from here.
Yes, thank you, sir. Good morning, everyone. So in today's session, we are expected to witness a gap up opening in commodities, and the momentum should continue. However, due to USD INR, the price may be limited, the opening may be limited, but we expect prices to rally further. So gold, we expect prices to test 56 700 to 57,000 on higher end. So as the prices are opened gapped up, so we expect some correction, and then the momentum should continue. So buying on dips is recommended. One can buy gold around 56 350 and maintain a stop loss of 56,100. Silver also, we expect prices to test 64,500 to 65,000. So buying is recommended at 63,000 levels and maintain a stop loss of 62,400. Crude oil, we expect prices to test 6,400. So buying is recommended around 62.50 and maintain a stop loss below 61.80. All in all, one can also buy 6,300 call. So that should be active. In natural gas, prices are consolidating from 200 levels to 220 levels. So buying in this zone is recommended as the support is at 200. So the one can maintain a stop loss of 195 and on higher end over 210, 220 where one should look for profit taking. In metal front, prices copper are resisting around copper prices are resisting around 760 levels. So buying around 755, 754 is recommended, and one can maintain a stop loss of um, 748. And fresh buying could be witnessed if prices are closing above 760 levels. So watch out for that. And zinc also, the momentum should continue to go up, and one can maintain a stop loss of 258. And we are looking for 266 to 268 targets on higher end. So one can buy zinc with a stop loss of 158. Aluminum also. Pullback is expected, and we expect prices to test 208, 210 levels. So buying with a stop loss of 202 is recommended. That's it from us. Thank you very much.